Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter Eat. Today discuss about topics scale of temperature and problems. These problems Kelvin scale to Celsius and Celsius convert to Kelvin problems. Let's start the class. Scale of temperature. Okay, there are two is there. First one, Celsius scale of temperature. Celsius scale of temperature. And second one, Kelvin scale of temperature. Okay, what is meant to be temperature? The degree of hotness or coolness of an object is called temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, after that, scale of temperatures. Okay, first one Celsius scale and second one Kelvin scale. Note point. Small t is equal to temperature and Celsius. Small t is equal to temperature on Celsius. Okay, small t formula, small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Okay, Celsius formula, small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Celsius formula, this one. Okay, 273 what? This is temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Okay, 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. This is temperature is constant. Okay, Celsius formula, T is equal to capital T minus 273. This is formula. After capital T is equal to temperature and Kelvin. Capital T is equal to temperature and Kelvin. Okay, this is formula. Capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Okay, Kelvin scale formula, capital T is equal to small t plus 273. This is formula. Okay, Celsius scale formula, small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Kelvin formula, capital T is equal to small t plus 273. This is formulas. Okay, start the problems. First problem, convert following into Kelvin scale. Okay, A 20 degree Celsius, B 27 degree Celsius, C minus 273 degree Celsius. Okay, A 20 degree Celsius, convert to Kelvin. Start the problem. First one A. 20 degree Celsius. Okay, what is the formula? Convert following into Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale formula capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Okay, after that capital T is equal to small t value 20 degrees Celsius, right? 20 degree Celsius plus 273. Okay, after that capital T is equal to 20 plus 273 value 293 Kelvin. Okay, 20 degree Celsius convert to Kelvin scale, 293 Kelvin. This is first a problem. Second problem, B 27 degrees Celsius. 27 degrees Celsius convert to Kelvin. Formula, what is formula? Capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Okay, this is formula. Okay, after that capital T is equal to small t value how much? 27, right? 27 plus 273. Okay, after that capital T is equal to 27 plus 273. How much? 300 Kelvin. Okay, Celsius convert to Kelvin value, T is equal to 300 Kelvin. This is B problem. Next one, C minus 273 degree Celsius. Okay, C is equal to minus 273 degree Celsius. Okay, Celsius convert to Kelvin. Formula, Kelvin formula, capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Okay, capital T is equal to small t value minus 273, right? Minus 273 plus, right? 273. Okay, capital T is equal to minus 273 plus 273 value how much? Guess. Okay, capital T is equal to 0 degree Kelvin. 0 degree Kelvin minus 273 Celsius convert to 0 degree Kelvin. This is C problem. Next one, second problem, convert following into Celsius scale. Convert following into Celsius scale. A 40 Kelvin, B 10 Kelvin, C 273 Kelvin. This Kelvin convert to Celsius. First one, A 40 degree Kelvin. 40 degree Kelvin. Okay, what is the formula? Small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Okay, this is formula. Small t is equal to capital T minus 273. After that small t is equal to capital T value 40 degrees. 40 degrees. 40 minus 273. Okay, now small t is equal to 40 minus 273 value how much? Okay, minus 233 minus 233 Celsius. Okay, Kelvin convert to Celsius. This is a problem. Okay, B, 10 degree Kelvin. B, 10 degree Kelvin. Okay, write the formula. Small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Okay, after that small t is equal to capital T value 10 minus 273. Okay, after that small t is equal to 10 minus 273. 10 minus 273 value minus 263 degree Celsius. Minus 263 degree Celsius. Okay, Kelvin convert to Celsius. This is B. Next one, C, 273 degree Kelvin. Okay, this formula small t is equal to capital T minus 273. Okay, this is formula. Okay, now small t is equal to capital T value, write this one. Okay, write 273 minus 273. Okay, 273 minus 273 value how much? Small t is equal to 0 degree Celsius. Okay, C value 273 Kelvin convert to 0 degree Celsius. This is C problem.